A quick tidy up can make your home look nice, but a true deep clean transforms it completely. Professional cleaners don't just wipe surfaces, they reach every corner, tackle hidden grime, and leave your home feeling fresh and spotless. Welcome to FastKlean, your trusted partner for professional cleaning tips. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves a clean home. The secret to deep cleaning like a pro starts with preparation. Declutter first, gather your supplies, and always clean from top to bottom. This way, dust won't fall on freshly cleaned areas. Work methodically, room by room. In the kitchen, clean appliances inside and out, scrub the sink, wipe cupboards and countertops, and mop under appliances. In the bathroom, remove limescale, scrub the toilet base, clean grout, polish mirrors, and mop every corner. Don't skip the bedroom. Vacuum the mattress, wipe down wardrobes, clean under the bed, and wash all bedding. In the living room, deep clean sofas, dust shelves and electronics, wipe blinds, and refresh carpets. Professional cleaners also focus on overlooked spots, like light fixtures, skirting boards, switches, vents, and radiators. And finally, add finishing touches, natural air freshener, fluffed cushions, and a quick walkthrough to make sure nothing's missed. A deep clean every 3 to 6 months keeps your home healthy and fresh. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to FastKlean, and tell us in the comments which room you'll deep clean first.